Do you think vinyl will continue growing in popularity?
Mhm. At the rate it's going, uh, it's it's going to go up. Unfortunately, as it goes up, it also uh, it's also becoming more expensive. Kahit nyo, kasi there are two types of vinyl records. Let's call it the LP. The LP actually has two common current types now. Yung luma, which is the OG or original pressing, and the newer reissue ones. Uh, ang advantage nila is when you make a record kasi, you have to use the original master tape that was used to record the session or the plaka itself. Yung OG, it used the original and it was fresh nung araw. So, first and foremost, may advantage yung OG. Pero ito, ang mastering equipment used now are way, way better than yung ginagamit nung araw. Number two, yung cutting is also better. Number three, yung pressing plant is even better kasi automated na siya. Hindi na siya minamanual ngayon. Noong araw, minamanual pa yun, tinatanggal, tas kinakat yung gilid. Ngayon, hindi, automatic na lahat. It's all done by machines. So, yun. Compared with the OG and the new ones, depende na sa'yo. Kasi, magkakaiba presyo nun. Ibang mas mahal yung mga reissue ngayon. But my question is, how much do you need it? If you really want it, you spend for it. But kung isipin mo naman na pwede ka naman mabuhay nang wala yung plaka na yon, wag na lang. Next na, yung susunod na gusto mo. Always concentrate on the ones that you really love. Ito ang itong pinaka telling sa lahat ng mga collectors. Majority ng mga vinyl records na binibili nila ngayon is yung mga records nila nung bata pa sila na nawala na. Kasi through the years, hindi mo naman alam kung ano nangyari. Lumipat, nagkabaha, nasunog, or whatever, parang gano'n. So, what they do is they buy things that they love nung araw. Yun.